welcome to the world of Barbies. That's because I have the Barbie palette along with its lipsticks. So I'm super excited doing this video for you guys. Before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So before showing to you guys the palette, I just want to share some info that I found out about Barbie, and I think it's kind of a bit of interesting. I mean, everybody knows about Barbie, so why not get deeper into what is actually Barbie and where she basically comes from. Barbie was made from the American company of toys called Mental Inc. Barbie was launched in March 1959, and I don't know if that's why they made this kind of design, because I feel like this design makes it like in the 50s and 60s. But yeah, just to throw that out. They gave credit to Ruth Handler, the one who created Barbie, and she was inspired by creating Barbie from the German doll called Build Lily. And Ruth Handler was born on November 4th, 1916 in Denver, Colorado. She was also the president of the American Toy Company. Ruth Handler was inspired to create Barbie to facilitate to the little girls to play better with their dolls. Barbie was introduced in New York at the Toy Fair on March 9, 1959. Here is the palette, the collaboration with ColourPop and Barbie. We have this beautiful pink Barbie color, and it says Malibu Barbie. We have this kind of design that gives me the vibe of the 50s and 60s. So here we have a palm tree, the sunset, and of course the ocean. That is a pressed powder palette. At the top of the box it says Malibu Barbie, and here we have again the name Malibu Barbie pressed powder palette. We have the names of the eyeshadows. Is a hard design. So let's open the palette. So inside the box we have this beautiful pink with palm trees and some hearts. I mean, of course, ColourPop always gives us some extra inside the box. As you guys can see, the box is the same thing as the palette. Here is the palette, Barbie and ColourPop. Malibu Barbie, the same beach Malibu design. It also says Malibu Barbie, the same thing as the box. We have the names of the eyeshadows. On the left side it says Mantle. Remember, this is the toy company of Barbie. And on the right side it says cruelty free. Before opening the palette, I forgot to mention to you guys, if it's the first time you're here on my YouTube channel, I have my French and my Spanish channel where I also do makeup looks with new palettes. So this is the second time I'm opening this palette. The first time I did was on my Spanish YouTube channel, so I'm always clear on that on all my videos. Just wanted to mention that before. Let's go back to the palette.
Did it make a big hole?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Let's see how bad it is.
So here is the palette. We have the protector. On the top we have Barbie and ColourPop with some clouds and the sun, and of course with a good mirror. So here are the eyeshadows. We have Cali Girl, Vintage Doll, Come On, Let's Go Party, Shine On, West Coast, Best Coast, Follow the Sun, Malibu Memories, Zuma Beach, Make Waves, Boardwalk, Surf's Up, 1971, and SoCal. I'm doing the makeup look. As I mentioned before, this eyeshadow is called 1971, and I searched it up, and in 1971 they did the first Malibu Barbie, and they changed her smile, so they made Barbie smile and they added white teeth. So just want to mention that, because usually when palettes put a date, it's because it's something important. So I just wanted to look that up. So the first color I'm gonna get is called Boardwalk. I don't really want to touch it. I want to barely oh, this is very pinky. Okay, so I'm gonna start placing. Oh wow, it's very pinky. Okay, this is like a nude, like a nude pink color. So it's really high, very basically underneath my brows, just to pop that color. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, also very close to my brows. This is really nice. Obviously the next color is this beautiful sky blue called Malibu Memories. so pretty. Hopefully it's super intense because I'm super excited. It reminds me of the pool. Not of the beach, but of the pool. Should I put this underneath, or I'm going to put this on my lid? I don't know if it's really popping. So I was thinking, should I add concealer before this blue, but I think it's really showing, right? Nice. I feel very bluey. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I think this is gonna be a very blue makeup look. So I'm gonna blend with Boardwalk. I'm gonna get Surf Up, which is this glitter. I'm just gonna get it with my finger because I feel like, oh goodness gracious. Oh wow. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, the same thing on this side. I feel like it's a quick, easy beach, colorful makeup look. Now I'm gonna get Zuma Beach, and I'm gonna do a cat eye with this darker brown, just to make it smooth, to make it intense, but not that intense, you know? And doing the cat eye. Okay, so I'm gonna put some lashes, do the rest of my makeup, and then we're gonna move on with the lips. So I'm done with the entire face. So moving on with the eyes, I'm gonna get again Malibu Memories. Looks so blue. The same thing now on the other side. Just adding that blue. I don't have like white eyeballs. Oh my god, this is so blue. Okay, so now I'm gonna get Shine On. I'm gonna place this on the inner corner of my eyes. Here too. I'm gonna place this on my brow bone. Have some shine. Okay, so we're done with the face, so now we're gonna move on with the lips. We have the 3 lip duo. Of course, on each box we have a lipstick and a lip pencil. This lip duo is called Dream House. We have a rainbow with some clouds and a pink sky. Now the one in the middle, it's called Malibu Sunset, and it's the same design as the eyeshadow palette, but it doesn't have the palm tree. On the right side we have Golden Beach, have a pink beach chair with the Barbie logo, a beach ball also with the Barbie logo, some white clouds and a pink sky, and of course the floor, basically the sand. We're gonna open Dream House. It's the same thing. It has a rainbow, clouds, and here is the lip pencil and the lipstick. It says Barbie and ColourPop, and the ColourPop lipstick and Barbie. We have the Barbie logo. And as you guys can see, the packaging of the lipstick, it's clear, it's a little bit transparent. This is the color Dream House, and it has the name Barbie on the lipstick, which I think it's super cute. Now we're gonna open Malibu Sunset. Again, we have this pink yellowish sun with white clouds. Here is the lip pencil and the lipstick. Here we have Malibu Sunset. I feel like this is more like a fuchsia dark color. Finally, we're gonna open Golden Beach. We have the beach ball with a Barbie logo and some clouds. Here is the lip pencil and the lipstick. We have the Golden Beach lipstick, and this is more like a nude color. Because for my Spanish channel I already used Golden Beach, I'm gonna use another lipstick and another lip pencil. So I think I feel like I'm gonna go with Dream House. Now I'm gonna use the lipstick. Again, this is called Dream House. Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't want to even use it. Oh wow, this is more pink than I thought it was gonna be. It's gonna be a little bit lighter for this makeup look, but I don't want to use again the nude because I already used it for my Spanish channel. I want to use the same makeup as the other channels. So this is the final look with the ColourPop and Barbie collaboration. Oh my god, it is so blue. I love the makeup look. I love how it turned out. Lips, I thought they're gonna be a little bit lighter. It's too pink blue makeup look, but it's fine. It's not that bad. The palette is super cute. It's definitely very Barbie. Remember, this is Malibu Barbie summer makeup collection, so it is super cute. This is $20, I believe, and it's 15 shades. The colors are so beautiful. They are so pigmented. Of course, it's definitely Barbie. The palette was gonna be a little bit bigger, but no, so it doesn't bother me. The size doesn't bother me, but I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger. Fan of Barbie when I was younger. I used to play a lot of like Barbie. Barbie was the only thing that I played. My teacups and my other dolls, kind of played it and that's it, but Barbie was everything for me. I wanted to have all the Barbies. I think in my mind it was only Barbie world, and I think my mom got so tired because it was like, she was like, oh my god, you don't want to play with another toy, you know, like grabbing something else. But I always wanted Barbie, and then Barbie has a really beautiful impact on my childhood. I enjoyed it so much with my Barbie world. Yeah, I just wanted to share that out with you guys. But let's go back to the palette. The palette's super cute. I really don't even want to touch it. Where's the other box? Oh, the other box are it's behind me. Okay, the lip duos. Oh my god, it's super cute. The packaging is so cute. I mean, it's so pink. Oh my god, they really did a good job with the details. Oh my god, the packaging of the lipstick, it's so cute with the Barbie logo. Are creamy and I like it. I mean, this is depending of what you like more, if they're matte or not matte, but these are creamy, so cute, so Malibu and Barbie. I mean, there's nothing bad I'm gonna say about this collection because I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Wait, I can get it off my finger. I didn't move anything. I was gonna move.